In this video, I'm going to show you how I drew this tulip in colored pencils on toned black paper. All of the materials I'm using will be listed down below in the video description if you would like to check that out. Now, onto this demonstration. To start, when working on black paper, we have to start with a base of white so that our colors show up. I added the white in the highlighted areas and used less white in the midtones. I left the deepest shadows alone. It can be helpful to change your reference photo to black and white to help you judge your values. I didn't for this project since I like to exaggerate my values when working on this type of paper, but that's just my personal preference. After I blocked in my values with white, I added my first layer of color. Knowing that I would come back and refine it later, I knew I didn't have to lay down my colors in the exact right place or add all the details at this time. Once this was done, I focused on my values, since this is what will ultimately create depth in my drawing. Now, since I'm working on black paper, I can't get my highlights as light as I would on white paper. So when it comes to my values, I really need to work hard on getting my shadows extra dark. I continue adding layers, each getting darker and refining the locations of my details. I also add more transitions to ensure that my drawing does not resemble that of a cartoon. I added orange and yellow over the top of my highlights to add more depth to those areas. It is rare for an area to be pure white since white reflects other colors in its surroundings. Then I added another layer of white on top to brighten up my highlights again, allowing some of the orange and yellow to show through. Then I took some time to add transitions between my highlights and shadows. For the background, I kept it simple with a light green foreground that fades into a darker green in the opposite corner. And that is it for this demonstration, but if you would like to see a more in-depth lesson, check out this video series. Until next time, God bless.